In the mid-1980s, a philosopher and theologian by the name of James Karst defined these two kinds of games, finite games and infinite games. A finite game is defined as known players, fixed rules, and an agreed-upon objective. Football, baseball. There's always a beginning, middle, and an end, and if there's a winner, then necessarily there has to be a loser. Then you have infinite games. Infinite games are defined as known and unknown players, which means anyone can join the game at any time, and you don't necessarily know who all the other players are. The rules are changeable, which means every player can play however they want. And the objective is to perpetuate the game, to stay in the game as long as possible. Turns out, we are players in infinite games every day of our lives, whether we know it or not. There's no such thing as winning healthcare, right? There's no such thing as winning education. You can come in first for the finite amount of time you're at school, where we agree upon the time frame and the metrics, grades, but nobody wins education or nobody wins learning. You can't be number one in your marriage. You can be number two, but you can't be number one.
Well, maybe the first time, but
exactly. But then it's finite, and you have to try again. Exactly. The goal is to perpetuate, remember? And there's definitely no such thing as winning business.